it's me, Lumi. Today I want to show you one of my absolute favorite rides here at Hong Kong Disneyland, the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. It's super cute, colorful, and full of honey-loving surprises. This ride is in Fantasyland, and there are usually not very long lines, even around midday. Are you ready to join me? Let's go!
One day in the 100-acre wood.
Hey, Patrick's winning today.
If you ask me, he's never gonna reach that tree.
I'm in the mood for food.
Why do these things always happen to me? Look, Mama, look! Oh, dear!
And now, Harry Maxine, and the side. Oh, yes, as I was saying, Tigger, come bounce with me. Just great. Follow me. Right this way. I almost bounced right out of the ride. Still honey. Still honey.
Because there's a lovely prize. He's very confusing. Ones and twosels, but if they're so choosels, all the rides you see that multiply. Right in the middle of a cloudburst. It got nuttier and funnier.
First the wind, and now this.
Oh, my goodness! Goodness gracious!
Oh, yes, we'll save you, Piglet.
A very big waterfall!
At last the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too!
please exit your left. Please exit.
Did you like the Winnie the Pooh ride? I loved it. Don't forget to check out my other Disneyland videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.